Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert the page border on your Word document. So let's get started. So on your Word document, you will see these kind of menu items. Click on Design menu item. And then on the top right corner, you will see this page border option. So click on it. Here you will see three tabs. We need to be in the page border tab, and then you can select all these kind of page borders. So here you have settings: none, box, shadow, 3D, and custom. When we select none here, we have the option of styles, so we can choose between several different styles here, like these dashes, or you have these multiple line options, and you can select from all these options, right? So let's say I'm going to select a very simple option here, and then you can also select the color for the border. So right now it's automatic, which is black by default, but let's say I want to change the color. I can change the color like this. I can also change the width of the border. So here it's 3pt, but I can reduce or increase the width from here. Also, I can apply the art for the border. So here it's none, but you can see you have several different kind of art option here. Let's say I want to choose this art, so you can see the preview here and the art will be selected. I am going to choose none here, and it's going to be none. And then you have this option here which says apply to. Default is applied to whole document, but you can also apply the page border to this section first page only, and this section all except first page. So for now I want to apply this to the whole page. You also have options here where you can see the border and shading options. So you can select the margins at the top and bottom and left and right from here. By default it's 24pt, and then you have the measure from. So measure from edge of the page or measure from the text of the page. So I'm going to leave it as default, which is edge of the page, and then click on OK. And when I click on OK here, the border is added to my whole document. If I have multiple pages, then the border will be applied to all the pages in the Word document. So this is how you can apply the page borders to your Word documents. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.